Trust in the Lord with all your heart, not in your ways, not in your thoughts. Every step feels unsure, but you see the end. You've been faithful before, you'll be faithful again. I took over your control.
I don't want this way.
Every door I forced,
every move I made.
now I humble my will, I surrender my plans. You're the author of my life, you hold it in your hands. You make my crooked straight, you don't delay.
Even when I don't understand, I trust you, I trust you.
When I can't see
what you're doing, I trust you, I trust you.
even when the road feels
confusing,
you're directing my path, you're aligning my steps. I don't need to know
it all,
I just
need to say yes. Every high, every low, you are coming.